In the wilderness of Montana, me, Dustin, Danny, gonna kind of document our little hike snowshoe up here. It's a fun ride in. Enjoy the video. I'm gonna show you some cool stuff on a drone out here. Beautiful Montana. Let's get this video rolling. All right, the easy part's over. We just got to the point, no more tracks. Behind us, we've had our tracks. The easy part's behind us here. This is what we're here for. Break track, we'll follow you. Giddy up. Let's go, Danny. Let's go, dude. All right, guys. I looked, we're like 4.3 miles. 4.3 miles in here, trekking along, plowing our own path. There is not a living soul for 50 freaking miles over here. Can't wait to see this cabin up at the top. It's gonna be awesome. Let's keep going. 4.5 miles, Danny. Let's roll. All right, we're good. 5.25 miles. Now able to see the cabin over there in the background. We're getting there. This is a freaking bear. Knee deep in powder, plowing the trail for hours. The cabin's right there. We've made it. Just got to get to it. What a trek. Dude, this is some thick snow. We're there, boys. Just plowed up this hill. Wow. From Florida to the top of Montana, Danny. Pretty impressive. We just climbed to the top of this damn hard spot. 36 inches easily, 40 inches, plowing through. All the way. What a fucking trek. That was a gut check. Good work, Danny. Solid, man. I love hanging out with fucking people that say yes. Put yourself in a position out here, there's no choice but to plow forward to this cabin. It was tough as hell, actually. Back to pickup. What an adventure. Good job, boys. See you at the top.